How to make $400 per day with DoorDash. The real strategy behind high-earning Dashers. Let me break it down for you like I would if we were having a conversation over coffee. You've probably seen people talk about making $150 or even $200 a day with DoorDash. But $400? That sounds like a stretch, right? Here's the truth. It's not only possible, it's happening every single day. But not by luck. It's strategy, mindset, and execution. So let's walk through exactly how you can do it too. Before we dive in, do me this one favor. If advertisements should interrupt this video, please do not click off of the advertisements. Please allow them to play through as a thank you to me for sharing with you this valuable information. Let's continue. First, shift your mindset. This isn't about picking up random deliveries and hoping for good tips. Think of DoorDash like this. You're operating a mobile logistics business. Your car is your asset. Your phone is your command center. And your success? That depends on how you run your route, manage your time, and work the system. Next, what you need to get started. Let's keep it real. You don't need much to get rolling, but a few smart investments go a long way. Here's your simple checklist of must-have tools. A reliable car, fuel efficient is best. A smartphone with GPS and good battery life. Insulated food delivery bags. Yes, they help you get better tips. Phone mount and car charger, non-negotiable for safety. Basic car insurance, and if your state requires it, rideshare insurance. Next, startup cost estimate. Item cost. Food bags, $20 to $40. Mount plus charger, $30. Gas, first week, $100. Optional, tracking app, Gridwise, Everlance. Free to $8 a month. Total, $150 to $200. You don't need to drop a fortune. But having the right tools makes the job smoother and makes you look more professional, which customers notice. Next, how the $400 per day plan works. Okay, let's run the numbers together. If you want to hit $400, your goal is to average $35 to $45 per hour. At first glance, that sounds intense, but when you break it down, it's doable. Here's the basic formula. Average, dollar per delivery times deliveries per hour times hours worked equals daily income. Let's say you're getting $8.50 per order and you complete 4.5 orders per hour. That's about $38.25 an hour. Do that for 10 hours, and you've got $382.50. Add in a few high tips or a peak pay bonus. Boom, 400 plus. Next, smart scheduling. Work when the money's flowing. Here's a little secret. The people making serious money aren't working more, they're working smarter. You need to be out when people are hungry and ordering, not just driving around burning gas. Here's the best time blocks. 7 to 9:30 a.m., morning coffee and breakfast rush. 11 a.m. to 2 p.m., office lunches, stacked orders. 5 to 9 p.m., dinner surge, best tips of the day. 9:30 p.m., midnight. Late night snack runs and drunk orders, easy and high paying. Use DoorDash's scheduled dash feature to lock in these hours ahead of time, especially if you're in a busy market. Next, The magic of multi-app stacking. Want to really boost your earnings? Don't just rely on DoorDash. When there's downtime on one app, switch to another. This is called multi-apping, and it's how pros stay busy without gaps. Try stacking with Uber Eats, Instacart, Spark, Walmart deliveries. Just be careful. Don't accept overlapping orders that'll make you late. Use apps like Gridwise to track your deliveries and earnings in one place. Next, bigger tips with less effort, psychology at play. Want to know how some Dashers seem to magically get bigger tips? It's not magic. It's people skills. Try this. Text the customer. Hey name, I'm on the way with your order. Be there in 8 minutes. Thanks again. Present the food neatly. Smile. Say thank you. Use your delivery bag every time. It shows care. Leave a short thank you message in the delivery notes. These tiny gestures tap into basic psychology. People want to reward effort and friendliness. Next, scaling your DoorDash hustle. If you're hitting $250 per day consistently, how do you get to $400? Here's how. Extend your schedule during surges. Focus only on high-efficiency zones, where orders come fast with low mileage. Decline low-pay orders. Seriously, be selective. Track miles and expenses for tax write-offs. Use Everlance or Stride. Use Earn by Time mode only in slow markets. Otherwise, stick to Earn per order. Next, what about expenses? Let's be transparent. This isn't all profit. Expect gas, $15 to $25 per day. Hybrids will save you a lot. Maintenance, oil changes, tire rotations. Taxes, set aside 20 to 25% for taxes, but deduct your mileage. Track everything. You're a business now. Next, final thoughts. It's not about driving, it's about mastery. Let me leave you with this. Anyone can sign up for DoorDash. Few will ever turn it into a $400 per day system. But those who do, they didn't do it by working harder. They learned the game. They created systems. They turned 3 deliveries per hour into a repeatable business. You're not just delivering food. You're building freedom on your own terms. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. If you have received value from this video, please smash the thumbs up button to give us a like. Want to add a comment? Please do so in the comment section below the video. Until next time, please be safe and may God bless your efforts. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. If you have received value from this video, please smash the thumbs up button to give us a like. Want to add a comment? Please do so in the comment section below the video. Until next time, please be safe and may God bless your efforts.